Okay, this is a very quick run through of how to install and do some initial configuration on the Hair Salon version 2 premium theme from ThemesBro. I'm starting with a default installation of WordPress 2014. So let's go back to the dashboard. Go to Appearance, Themes, and you will previously have bought the theme from ThemesBro. You'll have logged in and downloaded the theme file. Now what I want to do here is click on Add New and then Upload Theme, and then browse to where you've downloaded the theme, and in this case it's this file here. Let's just open that and then click on Install. And it should only take a couple of seconds to install, and then just activate the new theme. Now this is a message here because I've actually got WooCommerce installed. You probably won't have, so this will be missing, and we can just hide that. If we just have a quick look at the front end, this is how the theme should appear out of the box, as it were. And you can see that the homepage slider is rolling. I think there are 4 images that ship with the theme, and we're cycling through those at the moment. You can see that the menus, the top menu here, just has a single entry in it because the theme ships with only one page, the home page, that's actually configured. And there's another menu that appears down on the bottom here, and that is missing by default as soon as the theme is installed. So to configure some more pages, let's go to the dashboard, and then we'll configure an About page. So if we go to Pages, Add New, we can enter the title. Okay, just put in some sort of content in there, and you will just take the default template. If you drop the template box, you can see that there's a contact, full width, homepage, price list, and so forth. So for now, because there isn't a specific template for the About Us page, just choose the default template and click on Publish. Now if we go back to the front page, you'll see that nothing's changed. The menu still only has 1 entry in it. Now to fix that, we need to go to Menus. You can also, by the way, get to this page by going to the dashboard and then Appearance and Menus. There we go, same page. Now we've got, I've been using this theme already, so I've got a couple of sub-menus which we can ignore. But if you choose menu 1, the main menu, or we could even create a new menu. Let's do that. Let's create a new menu for Hair Salon version 2. Let's create that menu. Okay, and you can see there's nothing in it so far. So I've got a list of the pages, but bearing in mind that I've used this theme before, there are other pages that I think this was the one that we've just created. So we'll add that to the menu, and we can add the home page to the menu as well. And they're in the wrong order, but you can get around that by just left clicking, holding the button down, and then drag and drop. to reorder the menu. And actually we can click automatically add new top level pages, so that we will do that by default in the future the next time we create a page. If you end up with too many pages in the menu and you want to take some out, then we can remove them from the menu by simply opening it up and clicking on remove. Okay, so for now we've added the newly created About Us page. Let's just save the menu, and we'll go back and have a look at it now. Right, this is because we have not set the position of the menu. So let's go back and manage the menu locations. So the main menu will select Hair Salon 2 and save the changes. Now when we go back, better. So we've got the home page, which is the one that we're looking at, and we've got the newly created About Us page. Okay, so right, let's go about a Contact Us page. So let's go back to the dashboard and again add a new page. Right, let's call this one Find Us, just to make it slightly different from the usual contact page. The template we're going to choose in this case is the Contact Us template, and we can publish that, and then let's just view the page. Okay, now we've got a space under here which is going to hold a contact form. I'll explain how to do that in a moment. The map is clearly, well, unless you happen to be based in London, is probably going to be irrelevant to your location. So that's the next thing we've got to fix. If we go back to the dashboard and go to Theme Options, we've got some options here, and one of them is the map location. So I'm going to set this to let's say, for example, Sheffield in the United Kingdom. Okay, and we'll save those changes, and let's go back and check the site now. Find Us page. Now that's looking better. Okay, we now have the map centered on Sheffield, and obviously you can choose to go to Google Maps, I would suggest, and work out where you want to locate yourself. But that's basically how you set up the Contact Us page. Now if we go back to the dashboard again, let's now set up a Testimonials page. Again, add new. We'll call it, not surprisingly, Testimonials. And for now, just leave the content blank. The really important thing, of course, is the template that you choose, which in this case will be Testimonials. And then we can publish. Okay. If we go back to the front end again, you can see that that page has turned up as well, with the statement, apologies, but no testimonials were found. You'll notice that since we ticked the automatically add top level pages to the menu option, we don't have to keep adding these pages. Okay, this is automatically coming up added to the main menu. However, we need some testimonials on this page. So if we go back to the dashboard and choose Testimonials this time, and add a new testimonial, in here we can place the maker of the testimonial, or the provider, I should say, of the testimonial. And we'll put in Sheffield. In here, the body of the testimonial. Okay, a little something like that. And we can set the featured image. Now, the featured image we will upload, and I'm going to use, let's see, got something here. Okay, and we can just, when you upload the image, you'll see by default the one you've just uploaded is checked. And we can set the title, the alternate text, just set that to something like that, okay, and then set the featured image. And then when we publish that, hopefully when we go back to the front end again and click on testimonials, lo, we have featured image and the short testimonial and the credentials of the person who provided it. And that is, to build that page is just a case of rinse and repeat. Go back to the dashboard, back to testimonials. You can list all the testimonials now. To add the next one, just add new and do the same thing again. The name of the person who's providing the testimonial in there, testimonial content in here, select an image, and away you go. Right, now, the Meet the Team page. If we go back to Pages and add a new page, we can type in the title, which may well be Meet Our Stylists, for example. Again, leave this content blank. I mean, you may want to put in let's just say something like this. Okay, just as by way of an introduction. The default template, as ever, is critical, so we must choose the team template. And what this is, this works in the same way as the testimonials page. This area here will act as a container for the team member records that you create, and we'll do that in just a moment. So having done that, just publish the page. Now let's go back and do a quick check on the front end again. And there we go, Meet Our Stylists. Okay, no entries found, as you would expect. Let's go back to the dashboard. Choose the team. No members found. Let's add a new one. Okay, and we'll call this one, who will we call it? Maria. Senior Stylist. Okay, and a short description. Okay, let's set a featured image. Let's just choose this one. It's one that I happen to have. I've no idea how this is going to turn out on the page, but let's just give it a go and see what it looks like. Let's publish that, and let's, as ever, go back to the front end. And there we go. That's our senior stylist. It's worth noting that the size of this will vary according to the the size of the image you upload and the shape. So try and make them all the same. I'm just grabbing images here, at random almost. But I think you can see probably these are now not in the correct order. So let's fix that by going to the menus page, and let's just drag and drop. I think Find Us obviously goes to the end. About Us probably down there, and something like that probably is the most logical order. Then we can just save the menu and go back and view our handiwork, and there we go. That's sorted that out. We also need we need some content for the home page. So what you can do, a shortcut here is, if you're on the home page, quick shortcut is to click on Edit Page, and then we can put some content in here. So if we just let's just copy that and paste it a couple of times.